What up, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. I go by Ron P. Today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, we're going to be doing some comparison shopping when it comes to buying studio equipment. A lot of people ask me, like, I'm finna start a home studio. What do I need? Where do I go to get the good prices? Now, there's a lot of places you can go, but today we just using Sweetwater and we're using Guitar Center. And no, this video is not sponsored by either, but if y'all both watching, holla at your boy. What we're gonna do is some comparison shopping. A few things that you need for your home studio is an audio interface, studio monitors, studio mixing headphones, microphone. We're gonna just compare which site got the better prices, and then at the end, we're gonna go to checkout and we're gonna see who got the better deal. All right, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all found this video helpful at all. See, I'm doing the work for y'all, so y'all ain't gotta go on sweetwater.com, y'all ain't gotta go to guitarcenter.com. I'm doing it for you. All right. So right now we on Guitar Center. The first thing we're gonna look up is audio interface. We're gonna go to audio interface. So they have the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, which is a very popular one. This got the two XLR inputs. So honestly, I would suggest if you plan on recording other people, and you know, it's good to get this one. So we're gonna put this one in the cart. Nah, we don't want no coverage right now. We trying to check out cheap as possible. So all right, so we got the interface in there. So what else we need? We need mixing headphones. So we're gonna try to find some cheap ones, but some good ones. I actually have these right here, but let me see if we can find. See, these will do the job. So just to get out the gate, you know, we gonna get these ones. You can always upgrade. We just trying to get you out the gate right now. So we need a microphone. Now, as a beginner microphone, I would suggest using the Audio Technica 2020. That was my start out microphone. AT 2020. All right. So yeah, I figured that mic could be about $100. I mean, you got to pay to play a little bit. You know, some things you can't just take shortcuts on. So this is a good microphone. So we need that. So we're gonna add that to our checkout. Some studio monitors. Yeah. Now, technically, you don't need the studio monitors right away. You can use the headphones, but I would suggest get you some studio monitors while you at it. The Sterling Audio. Wow, Sterling Audio MX5s. These is good, but we need a pair. So, and we're just trying to get out the gate right now. So is this for the pair? Oh, yep, for the pair. So this is Sterling Audio MX3. These are a lot smaller, but I'm sure they can get the job done. Nope, we don't want the plan. Okay, now we need XLR cable. So I'm gonna say about a 6-foot XLR cable. Hey, they ain't got no 6 feet ones. This is $7.99. Let's see if it's. Oh, cool. Yep, we only need about 6 feet to get us out the gate. So what is our cart at right now? At Guitar Center, you can get a microphone, audio interface, headphones, and a pair of studio monitors. So for a total of $426.96, that's what you can get at Guitar Center. So right under $500. So we're gonna go to Sweetwater and we're gonna look up the same stuff that we found at Guitar Center. So we need some mixing headphones. All right. Let's see. Do they have some cheap headphones? Hey, this brown is kind of cool. All right, dig this. These headphones right here, the Samsung SR 350s, whatever. These was like my first studio headphones, and I'm a vouch for these. So we're gonna add them to the cart. Let me see if Guitar Center even have these headphones. Cause if Guitar Center don't even have these headphones, then they losing already. Ooh, they got them, but they $47. What? Talking about some reserve now, boy. Stop, stop. Guitar Center, y'all tripping. So we found these headphones. They good headphones. I've used them. Actually, I still got them. Matter of fact, hold on. Got them right here. So just so y'all know, I ain't capping. Sweetwater already winning because they got the hookup on the headphones and estimated free shipping. Psst, come on, man. All right, so we need an audio interface. So audio interface. We're gonna actually look up the same one that we had at Guitar Center. We're gonna look at the Focusrite. No, this the four. This the 4i4. So we had this the 2i2 for 189. How much was it at Guitar Center? Oh, my bad, my bad. So this is the Focusrite 4i4. All right, so let's see if we can find the Focusrite 4i4, which is right here. So it's 229, and how much was it at Guitar Center? Oh, okay. So the interface is the same price. We need studio monitors. We need a pair. I want a girl with stitches in her hair, bamboo earrings, at least two. I'm just playing. All right. So which studio monitors did we end up going with? The Sterling Audio. So let me see if I can find them on here. I put Sterling. Where are you, you little mother? So I don't think Sweetwater have those. Uh-oh, Sweetwater, what's going on with it? Oh, let me go. Let me search low to high. They giving me buds and all kinds of stuff. All right, so here goes some Behringers. Behringers is good. These Mackie CR3s is cool. When I was first about to buy my studio, I always wanted these because I thought these looked cool, but I ain't never end up getting them. These is, I've heard, let's just go with these, all right? So we're going to add to the cart. We need an XLR cable, 6 foot. Come on now here. I can't find the XLR cord, the 6 foot cord on Sweetwater. And I know they got them. This is the cheapest one I see. So let me see if I click on this. This is a 5 foot. What? A XLR 5 foot for $22.99. Y'all tripping. Okay, hold on. Nah, these, cause if you got the audio interface, you gonna need the XLR female to male. So we need the AT2020. Let's see if they got a better bundle. Not a better bundle, a better deal. All right, so they got it same price. So we're gonna add that to the cart. So we're gonna view the cart. So we got headphones, audio interface, speakers, XLR cord, and the microphone at a total of $467.97, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna go to Guitar Center. We have our XLR cord, which I can't believe that price situation, straight up. Speakers, microphone, headphones, and the interface for a whopping $426.96. So a difference of I ain't good at math. So I ain't so you act like you could have did the numbers if you man, whatever. Man, y'all tripping. So we got $467.96. Takeaway $426.96. So a difference of $41. So I guess if you're trying to save a little piece of money, it's probably better to go to Guitar Center, get you some equipment from there. One thing I will say, Sweetwater, I feel like got a bigger selection than Guitar Center, but I think Guitar Center is a little cheaper. And cheaper don't necessarily mean the quality isn't just as good. Like if you get an interface from Guitar Center, that don't mean it's because it's cheaper. I mean, don't always think cheaper is worse as far as quality. I will say when it comes to your microphone, when you get a chance to upgrade, make sure you upgrade. The AT2020 is a great starting microphone, and the audio interface that I picked, the Scarlett 4i4 Scarlett brand is real good. It's starting out, That concludes this video, and if this video was helpful at all, I mean, hey, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do? I'm gonna ask you to subscribe. I'm out, man. More videos on the way. Peace.